Welcome to the channel. In a world where medical advancements seem to be moving at the speed of light, a revolutionary breakthrough is about to change the lives of millions. Today, we're diving into the bioelectric device that could offer a new hope for people living with paralysis. Could this be the game changer we've all been waiting for? Paralysis affects millions of people worldwide, with spinal cord injuries being one of the leading causes. While advancements in prosthetics and rehabilitation therapies have helped, the reality is that most paralyzed individuals still face immense challenges when it comes to regaining movement and independence. The spinal cord, which transmits signals from the brain to the body, plays a critical role in movement. When damaged, it disrupts the connection between the brain and the muscles, often leading to paralysis. But now researchers have discovered a groundbreaking way to bridge this gap, using bioelectric technology. So what is bioelectric technology and how can it help those with paralysis? Bioelectric devices use electrical impulses to stimulate the nerves, essentially jump-starting the communication between the brain and the muscles. These devices work by delivering electrical pulses to the spinal cord or peripheral nerves, helping to reactivate dormant neural pathways. In some cases, this stimulation can enable paralyzed individuals to move limbs, regain muscle control, and even stand for the first time in years. One of the most promising bioelectric devices currently in development is a spinal cord stimulation implant. This device is surgically placed near the spinal cord, where it delivers precise electrical signals to stimulate nerves, bypassing the damaged areas of the spine. Researchers have successfully demonstrated that this device can help people with spinal cord injuries regain control of their legs and other muscles. In one study, individuals who were previously unable to walk were able to stand and even walk short distances with the help of this technology. These success stories are not just theories, they're real. In a groundbreaking trial, patients with severe spinal cord injuries who had no movement below the waist were able to regain partial control of their legs with the help of bioelectric stimulation. For example, one individual who had been paralyzed for years was able to take his first steps again after undergoing spinal cord stimulation therapy. While the technology isn't perfect yet, it offers incredible promise for those who have lost hope of ever regaining movement. As we move toward 2025, bioelectric technology is expected to undergo even more advancements. Scientists are working on refining these devices to not only restore basic movements, but also offer more precise control over complex motor functions. The goal? To allow paralyzed individuals to regain full independence and quality of life. In the future, bioelectric devices could be paired with advanced robotics or exoskeletons, enabling people with paralysis to walk, climb stairs, and live life without limitations. These breakthroughs are the first steps toward a world where paralysis is no longer a life sentence. The bioelectric device revolution is just beginning. With each new advancement, the future is looking brighter for those living with paralysis. This technology offers a lifeline, an opportunity to not just survive, but to thrive once again.